this is Sarah Shamlaka from grade 11 ICT. Introducing my PC building in 20K budget.
Shawty bad, slim thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix, she be mixing with the rich.
Introducing my PC parts. Processor provides instruction and processing power to computer needs to do its work. This processor is AMD Ryzen 3200 gig. It is 5,500 to 6,000. Motherboard ties the computer's components together at once, but for them to have communication. Motherboard, it is the Asus A320M gaming motherboard. It is 3,212 to 4,300 pesos. RAM disk. It's a virtual storage device. BNY XLR8 gaming 16 gigabytes, 3,200 megahertz. It is bought 3,200 to 4,000. SSD. ADATA SU650, 120 gigabytes. It bought in just 850 to 1,000. SSD that store date, the permanent, the inside and integrated circuit. Power supply. Corsair CV, 450 to 80 plus bronze. You can buy it at 3,500 to 4,000. It converts electric current from a source to the exact voltage of the power load. Storage. Western Digital 500 gigabytes HHD. It is 850 to 1,300 pesos. It enables computer to retain data either temporarily or permanently. Cased. First player Trilobite T3 Matte X case. It is 1,500 to 3,000. It houses the internal hardware of the important parts. CCATS S10. You can buy it by 150 to 570 to cool the internet hardware. Monitor. View Plus ML 22 inches, 75 Hz. It is bought 3,200 to 4,000. It is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual form.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.